do not know how to manage money properly. Y'all can see I just loaded up Shopify. I made $1,738 today, but I'm still broke. I'm gonna be on the more frugal side because of how I grew up, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna always be on the more frugal side, the smarter thinking side. All right, if I don't spend my money now, it's gonna be worth more if I put it into an investment and it can, you know, duplicate itself. Now let me get to why I say I'm broke. At the end of the video, you'll understand kind of my, you know, mindset behind why I'm broke, you feel me, or why this money isn't mine. So let me break it down for you where this money actually is going, where this money went, you feel me, you know what I'm saying, what's gonna happen with this money. So a portion of this $1,800 will go to, a portion of this $1,800 will go to actually fulfilling the order, so getting the product, you know what I'm saying. That's about, you know, 30-40% of the total cost. So let's just say about, you know, $400 is gonna cost me, $450 is gonna cost me to get the materials, to get the actual product to fulfill this order. Boom. Now we have the rest of the money. Let's say another $400 goes to taxes, because then again, the IRS might be watching this. I do pay my taxes. So let's say out of that $1,800, $400 is going to taxes. Boom, we already down to $1,000 left out of this money, right? So boom, $1,000 profit. Wouldn't even really be profit because we still got to break it down more from there. That's pretty much what I get to take. The business gets to take home. That's pretty much that's hitting my account that I'll delegate to either paying their lease, you know what I'm saying, scaling, education. It's different things that I invest in for the business, you know what I'm saying, different systems and stuff like that I invest in for the business, savings, you know what I'm saying. But pretty much that $1,000 hits that account and it is distributed in 100%. So 40% may go here, 40% may go here, 20% may go here. It's gonna be different depending on what you guys, you know, goals and wants are out of life, or what you want your money to go to. But that just goes to say that out of that $1,000, only 10% actually is going to me, child's pockets, which is $100. $100 is pretty much what's coming to my pocket from that, you know what I'm saying, $100, which is, you know, a pretty good salary for me. On average, I probably make like, I say like $1,000 a month, you feel me? Like I make like $1,000 a month salary from my business, you know what I'm saying. I am a W-2 employee for my business. I don't put in much hours. I'm part-time employee, you know what I'm saying. Let's get to the part where I actually explain to y'all why I'm still broke. So if in the last part, you know, the last question I asked you was, where's the money going? If the money's not going to me and the money's going to the business, me as an individual, I don't have it. So technically I am broke in a way, you feel me? I am broke in a way, technically, you feel me? And the reason why I would say I am broke is based on not my mindset, not broke as in I don't think that there is unlimited money in this world for us to get, and there's unlimited problems for us to solve, and somebody's gonna pay us to solve their problems. Don't get me wrong, I do know that, and I do know being broke is a mindset of thinking that you can't overcome this, you know, financial trouble you having. But at the end of the day, instead of working for a company, I'm working for myself. So I'm an employee to myself. Everybody says, you know, 9 to 5, 9 to 5, 9 to 5. You don't want to work a 9 to 5. Unfortunately, I work at 95. But I work a 9 to 5 for myself. And the hours aren't always 9 to 5. Sometimes they 7 to 6. Sometimes they 10 to 11. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes they look crazy. Sometimes I work overtime. But, you know what I'm saying? Technically, I'm still a 9 to 5 working brokey. As people would say nowadays, bro, it's something. If you got a 9 to 5, you ain't no fucking brokey. You know what I'm saying? You are a that's willing to invest his time, give his time away to get some money so you can in turn invest it into your business so you could free your time up from working at that job and you can work at your business. But until you get employees and CEOs and people like this to run your business, you forever be technically broke or a slave to it. You know what I'm saying? That's just my little opinion on it. Everybody has their own opinion on it. Leave your opinions down below. If y'all think I'm totally wrong and y'all wouldn't consider myself broke, you know, go ahead, leave it down below. But I consider it broke because, look, I made $1,800 today. But how much can I realistically spend of it? $100. What can you buy with $100? Can't really buy much, bro. You know what I'm saying? You can't really buy if anything. You can buy, you know, food, gas, maybe some Air Force Ones, but $100 in 2025 is not gonna last too long. It's gonna, you know, it's gonna go like that, especially if you have bad habits and you do not know how to manage money properly. You know what I'm saying? Me, I'm always gonna be on the more frugal side because of how I grew up. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna always be on the more frugal side, the smarter thinking side. All right, if I don't spend my money now, it's gonna be worth more if I put it into an investment and it can, you know, duplicate itself. If I don't spend my money on designer and I spend my money on investments, this money is gonna, you know, duplicate while this money is gonna depreciate. So all about how you think about things. You know what I'm saying? Don't keep up with the Joneses. It's okay to not have no jewelry. It's okay to not have no nice car. It's okay to not shine right now, because I promise you, if you can be consistent and you stay doing it, you will shine eventually. But that's been it for this video. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to come speak to y'all today, speak to my people today, tell y'all how much I made today and what I do with the money and you know. But it's been y'all dog. I'm gonna go ahead and catch you on the next one. We out.